y'all, it's Cash, and I'm going to show you guys how to bust this banner down so that you guys can recreate it or alter it any way you like. So we're going to start with going to canva.com. We're going to go up to templates, go down to business, and click on presentation. And we're going to use a blank one, but if you wanted to use another template, obviously you just click on something else and you can use it. But we're going to do this one with the blank one. So first I'm going to go to elements and go to grids, click on the square one, size it up like a rectangle to the right, click the picture I want, hover it over the top, it pops in. Grab another one, size it up to a smaller rectangle. Pretty much do the same thing after I get it the size that I want it to be. Position it to the front. Okay, I'm going to get the same picture, hover it over, it pops in. And I'm changing the transparency on the one in the back. Guys, my computer is overheated and it's making a humming noise because I've been on it for a while. So excuse me. Excuse my computer. So here I'm just playing with the colors in the background to see which one I like. I really like the black. And I'm just playing with the elements to see like what variation I would like. Okay, here I'm going to change the picture by adding a filter. Now what I'm going to be doing here is just changing the color. I'm not altering the picture or the products at all. You know, for example, it's not like a Instagram filter or a Snapchat filter where it's actually changing how the product looks and just changing like the tone, like black and white or color, more, you know, more pale or less pale. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in some text. Which obviously you click on the text button and then choose your option. So I'm writing the name of my hair company here and making adjustments to have it look like what I want it to look like. So right now I'm just going in and choosing the text that I want. I'm sorry, the font. The font that I want and aligning it. Playing with the colors, the formats. Just messing around, just saying this to look. And also while I'm changing this and having different styles, you can also just get an idea of different things that you can do as well when you play around with this design. So once again, I am just making little alterations, just playing with the design. I'm going to be adding a few more elements and, just messing with the color arrangements. And so you guys will see, watch and see how I'm coming up with this. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you also want to see more videos like this, subscribe, share, comment below if you enjoyed this or if this was helpful, if you learned something new. Let me know what you guys like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.